Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko and SQC. Right here we have Tezos, okay? Tezos is sitting at price at right around $5.98. Yeah, we are pretty close to the $6 mark, and we can already see that for the day we have already went past that. We have on the high of there is, high at that level is at right around $6. Excuse me. As you can see, the $6 mark or the $6 is right here, and the high of this candle is at 6.14, and I'm pretty happy about that. As you can see, the prediction still pretty much still is the same with me. This is how my prediction went. And right now, again, I will be waiting. We're gonna be seeing where we can kind of go. If I go to the weekly chart, this is how it looks like. Let's go to the daily to kind of have a decent understanding where we will want like kind of to go. This will be a great area to come and touched because this is a pretty volatile area at around $7, which I think it will get touched surely. Okay, well, like we just gotta stay patient, and then from there on, this could be our next resistance and that $80. But if you're asking me, Tezos is a great way to store your money in basically a growth, a great a growth cryptocurrency for me, and that's about it for today's video. Okay, peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.